Easy ways to start earning $10 per day online. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys some of the simplest platforms you can use to start earning at least $10 per day by just using your smartphone. If you are a beginner or someone looking to start making money in the year 2024, I highly recommend you to watch this video. Hey guys, welcome and thank you for watching. My name is Mpho and I share content on how to make money online. If this is the type of content you are looking for, then you are in the right place. Please grab a seat as we dive right in. So the first platform that we're going to be looking at is a platform that is available worldwide. So from wherever you are in the world, you will be able to take part on this platform. I also love the fact that they've got different offers that you can use to at least make $10 per day on the platform. It is beginner friendly, and I love the fact that they've got a website and an app that you can download into your phone and start making money from your phone. The app is available for both Android and iOS devices. So we're going to be looking at this website and what it has in store for us. So this is the platform that we're going to be looking at, and as you can see, you can download their app into your smartphone. It is available for both Android and iOS devices. So when we come up, you can see the different popular merchants that they have for you to earn cashback. We're going to also come up and see how much they have paid people from around the globe. And here it says they've got 7,000 plus redeemed gift cards on a daily basis. They also have 1,000 plus retailers where you can earn cash back. So we're going to come up, and this is where you can see the testimonials from people from around the world, what they had to say about this platform. So here, in order for you to cash money, to earn money, you can simply earn money by entertainment. This is by playing games and also discovering different short videos. And then here you can earn money by doing cashback, whether you're shopping online or in store. You can also earn money by getting paid to answer surveys. So this is something that you can do anytime and anywhere. So we're going to come up, and the name of the platform we are looking at is called Swagbucks. So this is where you can earn money by completing different offers. So this is where you can join for absolutely free. You do not pay anything to join this platform. You need to agree to their terms and condition, and you can join by either signing up with your Google account, or you can sign up with your Apple account, or you can sign up with your email. But because I'm already a member, I'm simply going to log into my account so that I can show you guys how it looks like once I'm inside the app. After you have logged into your account, you're going to be directed to a page like this one. This is where you can see the different offers that they have and the different subscriptions that you can use to earn points. You can also download free games and play those games to earn points, which you later going to convert your points into cash and use their different cash out options to cash out your money. You can also come here and see the different offers that they have. As you can see, some offers pay all the way up to 5,000 SB, and then we've got shops that you can use to earn cashback, whether be it online or in store. You can simply come here and see the different stores that you can use to earn some cashback. We're going to come to the top to where it says answer, and this is where you can use surveys to earn points. You can complete surveys to earn points. As you can see, we've got a survey that pays 30 points for a 14 minutes long survey, and you can also see that I was able to accumulate 1,000 points, and I'm going to come here to where it says redeem your points. I'm going to click there so that we can see the different cash out options that this platform has in store for us. So this is where you can cash out your money, and you need at least 1,000 points in order for you to cash out your money. 1,000 points is equivalent to $10 right here. So you can cash out using PayPal or Amazon gift cards, and they vary from country to country. The second platform that we're going to be looking at is a platform that you can also use to make at least $10 per day on the platform, depending on the country that you are located in. If you are in less developed countries, you will make less than $10 per day. But if you are in top tier countries, you can make $10 or more each day. So I love the fact that on the platform they've got competitions that you can use to increase your earnings. Unfortunately, they don't have a referral program, so you solely depend on completing tasks and maybe joining their competitions to increase your earnings. So we're going to be looking at the platform and what it has in store for us. But this is a platform I would highly recommend beginners to try out, especially in the year 2024. Another platform that we're going to be looking at is this platform right here called Live Points. This is how their homepage looks like. It is a very simple platform and you can get started in 3 easy steps. You need to sign up and verify your account. You also need to complete surveys and you're going to get rewarded in PayPal, gift vouchers, and many more options that we're going to be looking at in a later stage. So when we go down, you can see there are different cash out options. We've got PayPal, we've got Amazon. You can also donate to Special Olympics. And then we're going to come to the bottom, and this is where you can see what people had to say about this platform. So you can simply come here and read the comments of people that have spoken about this platform. So there's nothing much about the platform, but I'm going to log into my account so that I can show you guys how it looks like once you have logged in. After logging into the platform, this is what I'm directed to. So there are no available surveys as of now, but this is where you can see your top surveys and this is where you can see your ongoing surveys. So let's say, for example, you didn't complete a survey and you want to complete that survey, you're going to come here on the ongoing surveys to complete that survey. So we're going to come here to where it says community, and this is where you can join competitions. This is where you can join their campaigns in order for you to make extra money. So as you can see, this was a competition about 1 month ago, and here it says you can win up to $10. So they always have competitions that you can use to earn points, which can later be converted into money. So I'm going to come here to where it says rewards so that we can see the different rewards option and see if this is something that you can be able to use to make money. So this is where I can see the different rewards options. We've got PayPal, we've got e-gift cards, and we've got charity. So you can choose which one you want to go with. If you have watched until this far, thank you so much for your continuous support. I truly appreciate it. I'm going to take this opportunity to kindly ask you to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. I'm also going to ask you to hit the like button if you found value in this video, and also leave a comment down below if you've got any questions about the platform that I have spoken about, or maybe if you've got any platform that you have been using for quite some time and you want to share it with the community. If you are a first time subscriber, kindly comment that I am a new subscriber so that I can welcome you as part of this community. Now, without wasting any more time, let's just dive into the next platform. The next platform that we're going to be looking at is the most simplest survey platform that you can ever come across. On this platform, I hardly get disqualified, and I love the fact that they have also introduced a referral program which was not there in the past. And on this platform, there are selected countries, but the nice part is that there are more African countries in these selected countries. So we're also going to be looking at that, and also there are cash out options, but your cash out option will differ from country to country. It will depend on the country that you are located in. So we're going to be looking at the website and what it has in store for us. This is another website that we're going to be looking at, and this is a website where you're going to earn by completing paid surveys. So this is how their homepage looks like, and the name of the platform is called MobiWorks. In order for you to get started, you can get started in 3 easy steps, and the first step is for you to become a member. I have left the links down on the description box, and the second step is for you to complete surveys. The third step is you're going to get rewarded. There is a very minimal information on this platform. So with the information that they have provided, you can simply come here and read more on that. Or if you've got any other question, kindly comment down in the comment section. So for you to get started, you're going to sign up. So you're going to come here and click sign up, and you're going to be directed to a page like this one. So you need to enter in your first name, your last name, your country code, and then you're going to enter in your mobile numbers. So as you can see that this platform is available for people in Egypt, in Ghana, India, Kenya, Morocco, Nigeria, Senegal, and also people in South Africa. And we also have people in Tanzania, Uganda, and Zambia. And then you're going to select your language right there, and then you're going to enter in your email address, which is optional, and then you're going to enter in your password, and they need you to enter at least 8 characters with at least uppercase, lowercase, and a number. So after clicking that, you're going to say next, and please verify your email so that your account can be active. So I'm going to log into my account because I'm already a member, so that I can show you guys how it looks like once you're inside. So after signing in, I am then directed to a page like this one. As you can see, there are no available surveys as of now, but I was able to make a total of $12.50. So I'm going to come down to where it says referrals. So I'm going to click them, and then it's going to direct me to a page like this one. So as you can see, I was able to successfully refer only one person for this month, and this is where you can get your referral link. You simply copy the link and advertise on different social media platforms. So I'm going to come back to their homepage, and I'm going to come down and click on rewards to see the different rewards options that are there. And before going to the different rewards option, I just want to show you how much you can possibly get paid on this platform. Some surveys will pay you 0.50 cents in dollars, some surveys will pay you 1.25 cents in dollars, and there are surveys that pays more and there are surveys that pay less. As you can see, the survey paid me $1.38, and I've got a survey that also paid me $1.50, and this is where I was cashing out on this platform. As you can see, I cashed out $10 on this platform on the 23rd of January 2024. So I'm going to come up to where it says redeem, and I'm going to click them, and then it's going to direct me to the different withdrawal options. And the first withdrawal option is mobile top up. And I think the different withdrawal option will differ from country to country. So here, if you're going to redeem with a mobile top up, please take note that it's going to take up to 2 weeks for them to process your reward. And then we're going to come down to where it says G code. This is the second withdrawal option, and this one takes 1 to 4 business days, and you need $10 in order for you to cash out this option. And then I use PayPal in order for me to cash out my earnings. And when it comes to PayPal, you need to take note that they're going to charge you 2% handling fee for transferring your money into your PayPal account. So I'm going to leave all the links down on the description box so that you guys can check them out. And this is the website that we are looking at. And yes, guys, these are the platforms that you can use to easily make $10 per day, depending on the country that you are located in. So if you are in top tier countries, you can make $10 or even more per day. But if you are in developing countries or less developed countries, you are going to make less than $10 per day. But you can also use their referral programs to increase your earnings. You can also look into offers if the platform has offers to increase your earnings. So this is the video for today. I hope you found value in it. Until the next video, take care.